Hey guys, I'm there with the same movie storms, lightning storm, tornado, tsunami. Yes, like I showed you the lightning storm. Now we have the tornado. Whoa! Look that. And yeah, guys, it's not long too. We still haven't opened up the case yet. And yeah, I'm done with stuff. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, you see it all my stuff. Guys, I'm trying to pause it, so sorry about all these things, but I'm just not great. It's not great. No, like